Hello everyone, welcome to my channel The Passion of Files. Today we will do writing task. Reasons for declining plants and animals. The question is, in many countries the number of animals and plants are declining. Why you think is happening and how can this issue be resolved? Reasons. Habitat loss. A primary reason for the decline in animal and plant population is the loss of their natural habitats due to urbanization, deforestation, and agriculture expansion. The another point is pollution and climate change. Increased pollution and the impact of climate change have disrupted ecosystem, threatening the survival of many species. Overexploitation, overhunting, overfishing, and illegal trade have led to the decline of several animals and plants species, putting immense pressure on their populations. Solutions. Habitat conservation. Government and organizations should focus on habitat conservation and restoration to protect the natural homes of animals and plants. Environmental regulations. Implementing stringent environmental regulations and policies to reduce pollution and mitigate the effects of climate change can help safeguard biodiversity. Sustainable practices. Promoting sustainable practices such as responsible fishing, wildlife conservation, and combating illegal trade can help in the preservation of flora and fauna. Synonyms of this topic is countries, nations, states, territories, animals, fauna, wildlife, creatures, plants, flora, vegetation, greenery, declining, decreasing, waning, reasons, causes, factors, explanations, solution, remedies, resolutions, answers.